Believe in yourself. You are capable of doing great things. You are capable of achieving whatever you set your mind to do. Do not let anyone tell you otherwise. You have the power to achieve your dreams, but you have to believe in your first self. There will be times when you doubt yourself. There will be times when you want to give up. There will be times when you want to fall down. But I tell you, you have to keep going. You have to keep moving. You have to believe in yourself, even when no one believes in you. On this note, I welcome you to this YouTube channel today, Shosho the Motivational. You're welcome. You're welcome. Thank you for always subscribing to our channel. Thank you for always listening. Today, the topic for today is to believe in oneself. Believe you can make it. Believe you can do it. Believe that no one can stop you. Believe that you can achieve whatever you set your mind to achieve. Believe that it is only you, that you are yourself hero. Believe in yourself. Believe you can fight for your success. Believe you can chase your dream. Believe you can succeed in everything you wait around to do. You are the only one that is capable of changing anything you want to change in your life. You are unique. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. You are unique and you are very special, and you have something to offer the world. The world is waiting for you to open up your hands. The world is waiting for you to become great. The world is waiting for you to manifest. Don't be afraid to go after your dreams. You can do it. I know it is always not easy to believe in oneself, especially when you have many failures, when you have failed many times, when you have failed many people, when you have even failed yourself. But let me still tell you, there are times that you will still fall down. But there are times when you need to dig deep and find your inner strength, that you can do it, that you can achieve it. Remember that you are not alone. There are people who believe in you. There are people who believe in you. Your families love you. Your friends support you. They want you to succeed. So don't give up on yourself. Keep moving. Keep going after your dreams. You can do it. You can achieve it. There is nothing insurmountable in this life. Let me tell you something. If you have the power to achieve anything, don't let anybody bring you down. Do not be afraid to take risks. Don't be afraid to fail. Don't be afraid to fall, because failure is a temporary setback, but it's the part of journey in life. You can never leave failure out of anything. It's what makes you stronger. It's what makes you better. It's what makes you to be more resilient. You need to learn from your mistake and keep moving forward. Never sitting down. When you are not sitting, you start crawling. When you cannot crawl, when you are crawling, you start running. When you are not running, you start flying. At every point in time, keep moving, keep pushing harder. Believe in yourself and in your dream. For you to achieve your goal in life, you need these three basic things that I want to discuss to you about. First of all, you need to set your goal. Don't be too ambitious. Don't be too ambitious. Take it easy and don't be discouraged and give up. Start small, achieve achievable goals and build your confidence around there. Number 2, surround yourself with positive people. The people that will impact in your life, the people that will make you bigger, the people that will encourage you, the people that will lift you up when you fall down. Those are the people that we need in this generation. And I'm telling people now, anybody that is not adding value to your life, they are not worth it. In this generation, they are not worth it. You need destiny helper. You need destiny worker. People that you work together. People that you achieve together. Also, take care of yourself spiritually, physically, mentally, anywhere spiritually too. Take care of yourself, because When you are okay, when you are mentally fit, you are physically fit, you are spiritually fit, that is when it will be easier for you to believe in yourself. That is when you can make it. That is when you can run the race. And lastly, be patient with yourself. It takes time to build confidence. It takes time to build success. It takes time to achieve great. So do not be in a rush to achieve anything, but in all, be able to keep working. Never stop working. If you are not flying, you should be running. If you are not running, you should be walking. If you are not walking, you should be crawling. If you are not crawling, you should be sitting. If you are not sitting, you should be doing something. At every point in time, keep moving. That is the most important thing about life. Keep moving. And lastly, remember you are capable of great things. Don't let anybody tell you otherwise. Believe in yourself. Never, never. Don't ever give up on your dream, because your dream is your dream. Anybody that said it's not your dream, no, leave them alone. It's only you that can set yourself free. It's only you that can learn from your mistake. It's only you that can celebrate your successes. Believe in yourself. Believe that you are the only one that is living for this glory. Believe in yourself and all you are. Know that you have the power to achieve everything you have your mind to set up. The only way to do great work is to love what you do. If you haven't found it yet, keep looking. Don't settle. Do a great thing. The greatest glory in living lies is never about failing, but is rising every time we fall. That is life. The greatest glory in living lies not in not falling. There is no way you will not fall. You will always fall. The only thing that stands between you and your dream is the will to try and believe that it's actually possible. The will to try, the will to make it, the will to believe it is possible. The only person you are destined to become is whatever you're destined to be. These are quotable. These are things that people believe in. Whatever you want to become, whatever you want to achieve, whatever you want to do, it's about yourself. It's about what you do. It's about what you are about to give, what you are willing to give. So you have to take care of yourself. And lastly, before we go, believe in yourself. And first step is achieving your dream. Never, never. Don't ever let anybody talk you down. Don't ever let anybody say that you are not capable. You are more than capable. You can achieve it. You can mean it. You can take it. Yes, you can. Thank you for always tuning in. If you are loving our video, please like, subscribe, and also comment so that a lot of people can get to be watching this video. God bless you. Truly appreciate every time.